Neutrinos, Klanghaus. We're in King's Lynn. We're working on MANIFESTO with Collusion. Well, we're here to play, to listen, and to amplify the voice of young people. Well, to help them create their own town-wide climate manifesto. There'll be loads of stuff between now and then. Projections, some kind of sound walk, a video shoot. There'll be a number of arcs and respectful conversations. Yeah, they're a safe way of exploring difficult subjects with people of opposing points of view. And there'll be a parade of box sets, of course. Finale is May the 13th. Corn exchange. Bring 'em all.